Right now, first one, that is your learn panel is there. One second, let me open
Yeah.
a new document. Okay. Okay, learn panel will give you how to use this option one by one. It will show you these options and it will guide you actually. Learn panel.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now second panel, we have already seen object properties. You have
Yeah.
that option also. And next
Yes,
option
sir.
is object pages and object style, symbols, replacement and export option. First, we'll see these
Okay.
options now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, under object. Okay, under object, what we have now in this one, layers we are having in this one. We can have a new layer on this one. We can have a new layer from
Yeah.
here. Second
Yeah.
option, new master layer. Okay, and another option, effects we can add to this particular layer. Okay,
Yeah.
anyhow,
Yes,
so
sir.
if you are applying through other option, if you want to apply, you can apply that also. Okay,
Oh, okay,
for
sir.
style, first style I'm saying. Now if I want to create any layer, right now I've taken a layer 1. Now whatever objects you create it now, it will be applied on layer 1 only. Okay, if you create a new
Okay,
layer,
sir. Yeah.
then we need to select which layer we want it now. So where your object to be created, select that layer, then create the object. Now what happens, see, it will go inside the layer number 2 inside.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, for visibility and locking, we can do this lock and visibility from here. Okay, now if you don't want the object
Okay.
to be visible, you can hide, or else if you want to lock this one, you can lock this one. Okay, unlocking can be done from here. Now if you want to
Oh,
unhide all the objects which are there on this layer, you can hide all the objects at a time, and you can lock and unlock this one. Okay, you can say lock
okay, sir.
and we can unlock, and this is for the print
Yeah.
one, we can say. Okay,
Okay.
disable print and export option, so we can disable that one if you don't want to export it now. Okay, so this is
Okay, sir.
regarding your first option, that is layers. Now under layers we can have layers and we can have master
That.
layers and
Yeah.
effects options.
Yeah.
Let me delete all. Yeah. Let me see what happened now. So no plus. One second.
Yes, sir.
So now select this one. Now first option we have done, that is objects now. Second one, we are having a pages on this one. We can enable the pages and you can take a new pages from here and you can delete the pages. You can have two
Yeah.
options. Once you click
Okay.
this one, it will add the pages. Now we can zoom in these pages. We can maximize and we can apply the size also. So, okay.
Okay.
Next one, if you don't want any particular layer, select and delete the pages. Okay, if you don't want any pages. Okay, so
Okay.
we can add pages and we can delete pages. Now if I don't want to add pages from here, I can use this plus sign to add the pages on this one also. And but we have another option in the layout option, insert pages are there, where you can insert number of pages, how many you want it, and after
Yeah.
which page or before which page you want to insert, and what kind of, so what size you want for the insertion of the page, that you can decide. More properties are available here. Okay, now
Okay.
only just adding purpose, only one page if you want to add, you can use this one or you can use this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, from multiple pages we can add from here. Now at a time 4 pages, now we can see all these 4 pages has been added on this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Let me close this. Yeah, so now let's take the new document again. Let's go to the next option now. Okay, under
Yes, sir.
next option, that is after pages, we are having object styles. Now we can create a styles for this one. Yeah.
Okay.
So we have styles in this one. So first of all, create an object. Okay, now example I have
Yeah.
applied this one. Now we have multiple copies of this one. Okay, we have multiple copies. I'm applying different colors for this one. Now you need certain style to be applied for this all objects now. So what we can do, we can create only style, individual option for all. Otherwise you can have multiple options in one style, that is set of styles we can say.
Yeah.
Now let's go to the styles now. Now example, I want fill color on this one. Let's take the fill color, and now let's take the vector pattern on this one. Okay, now I want this pattern to be applied on this one, so click and accept this one. This is the pattern which we want to apply.
Yeah.
Now second one, right now we have created this one now. So, and again if I click this plus sign, it will add second option, that is outline, transparency, character, what you want inside this one. Okay, let me go with the
Okay.
outlines in this one. Select the outline color as let's take it as a blue color. Outline style as a dashed line. Okay, and thickness should
Okay.
be a little larger one, that is 3. Okay, this one I want to implement for this object. Okay, right now I've
Okay.
created these two, I have not applied. Okay, let's create this layer set also, set of styles also. Now select this
Yeah.
one styles and click this plus sign to add one option. So you can see the layer styles set 1 created. Now under this one, click this option over here now, over here. Once you click,
Okay.
we have option here, fill color. You can have fill color for this one. So let me have a gradient, we can say, let me go with the vector pattern. Yeah, bitmap pattern I'm going. Okay, I'm selecting this bitmap pattern from the list. Right now we can see this pattern I want to implement. Okay, this is the pattern I've selected. Now second one, I want to go for outline again. So go to this option and select the outline option this one. Okay, now select this outline and choose the color for this one. So red I want it for this one. Next style I am taking as a dotted line.
Yeah.
Let me increase the size. Let me take this closer dash lines in this one. Okay.
Okay.
So this option I need to apply this one for this thing. Okay. Now once it is done,
Okay.
now we have applied two options. Now when we have done this one, now minimize this one. Right now we can see, if I want to apply any style for this one, I have created one. I am opening this one, select this style, and then only you see the options here. Now right now it is only, what is it? From selection.
From selection,
Now, from
yeah.
selection if you want to apply, but I want to apply the existing one. Apply to selection. Means
Okay.
from selection we want to grab anything, we can do that one. But right now I want to implement now. So apply to selection. Now what happened now? It has applied only outline, no fill color.
Yeah.
Now
Yes,
if I
sir.
go to the fill color, now I can apply the fill color now. See, two separate
Okay,
options,
okay.
two separately we have
Yeah.
to apply.
Okay.
Instead of this one, what I can do, I can apply both at a time by using the styles. Now select, maximize this one, select set. Now we can see we are having these two options.
Yeah.
One is fill and one
Yeah.
is outline. Apply to selection. See what happened? We have applied the outline and as well as
And
fill color. Both we have applied.
okay. Yeah.
At a time we are applying this one.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the difference in set, style set and style options.
Okay. Okay.
Both are made for same purpose. Now if you want to apply to the multiple objects, select this all and simply apply to selection. That's done.
Okay.
Okay, so you can apply the same style to other objects also by using this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if we don't want any style, simple option. Here is the option that we can delete the existing styles.
Okay.
Okay, so this is regarding your style section. Let me close this one. New file again. Okay, next option after object style, I'm closing the object style. Let's go to the next option, that is symbol manager. Now
Yeah.
under symbol manager, you can create a symbol and you can hold the symbol inside the symbol manager. Let me take this one, select this one, and again one more option. Select this all and go for outline options. No fill color, only outlines.
Outline. Okay.
Okay, now let me put this one properly so we can divide this equally in this one. Okay. 1 second. Right now 1, 2, 3, 4 I want it on this one. Select this all and say this one, overlapping intersect area, we want it now. This one, intersection area, simplify, minus, create boundaries and intersection options. So what happened in that intersection? Only one object it has created, that is this one.
Yeah.
You can see right now this is created out of that one. But I don't want like this.
Yeah.
Okay, I want my object to be created in this way. Select this all. I want to only means this area to be kept inside this one. So we have option here. One second, what is this option? Trim option, weld. Let me take this as a weld option. Right now it is going outside now. Second option, okay, that is trim option is available that you can trim. Now what happened? This overlapping area is gone now. Now I don't want this one. Okay, simplify option is there. Simplify option will again does this one. Simple option for this all. Okay, what we can do, we can go to the option called, one second, erasing option is asked there. One second, let me see. Virtual segments. Remove the virtual segment from here now. See, outside lines.
Okay.
That is done. Select this object and say combine on this one. Now unite it now. See. What happened now? This one will become a solid object in this one now. See.
Okay.
And whenever you want, you can apply the color also for this one. Okay, close object is there. Just close this one. Otherwise, somewhere it is having an opening here. Now that you need to find and you need to close this one. Now see, this is what opening we are having. Can you see?
Yeah. Yes.
So what we need to do, we need to close this one now. Select these two and use the option called join in this one. Here is the join two knots.
Join
so
two knots.
Join.
Yeah.
And then select this one again, join, and select this one again, join on this one. Now see what happened? We got a nice fill color inside this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, like this you can create your objects. Now I am dragging and dropping this one. Before dragging and dropping, I need another object to be created for this. Okay, let me take this as an outline. Okay, go to the properties option, properties. Now stroke color as red again. Take this one and pick the red color. And thickness has to be increased on this one. Okay. Little bit decrease. Now I want to keep this one like this. So select this one and try to grab this one and drop it inside the symbol manager. Drag and drop this one inside this one. What happened now? It has created a symbol. Now you can drag multiple copies out of this one. Now see.
Okay.
How many pieces you want? You can drag and number of pieces on this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
So like this we can store our symbols here. Okay. So Control A and delete. Delete all. So now, sorry, one second. Select this one and delete. Now if you want to edit this one now, select this one, right click on this one and say what is it, insert symbol or edit master on this one. When you click this one, it will open this. Let me select this one and change the color for this one to as a blue. We can apply the blue color. Sorry, one second.
Yes.
Select this only symbol and try to manipulate this value. Now see, it is done. Now outline, I want to change this outline color. Okay, now go to this option and select the outline color.
Okay.
Let me select this, otherwise we can go with the solid dashed lines. Okay, like this we can apply. Similarly, what I'm doing, I'm making a copy of this one, Control C and Control V to paste in the same place. Okay, or shift button to increase from both sides and try to manipulate this value. Little bit rotation, so give a different position for this one, like this. Now we can see like this. Okay, as if my work is done now this one, so I can drag and drop my number of pieces over here. Now see. Clear this one?
Yes, sir.
What is this now? Symbol and symbol manager.
Yeah.
I'm closing that one. Next is find and replace. Now example, if I am having any paragraph information, okay,
yeah,
go to the option and define. I'm copying this content in this one. Now go back to the corridor and paste it inside this one. Right now we can see I'm increasing the size of this box.
Okay.
I'll go up and try to present this one. Now what I'm doing, I'm taking the same combination multiple times. Copy,
Yeah.
okay, and paste it over here. So use this down arrow and use enter button and try to paste it.
Okay.
Now I'm having something multiple times. Like example, we can see station is repeated multiple times.
Yeah.
I want to replace station with the stations are there now. I want to make it as a station also, only station.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
what we need to do, we need to select this one. Okay, so now if you have any, so what the option in this one, replacement or anything, now we can do that now. So in this one, go to this option and say find and replace the text in this one. Okay, now I want replacement also to be done. So what we want in this one, so copy and paste it here in this one.
Yeah.
1 second, select this all and delete, sorry. Okay, delete this one. Now stations. Okay, now what we want, station on this one, stations, and I want station in place of this one.
Okay.
Okay, in place of this one, station on this one. Now what do you want? Do you want to find next
Replace
or
all.
you want to replace
Yeah.
it now? If I say replace only one at a time, it will be replaced. See
Yeah.
now,
Yeah.
it will replace and it has gone to certain place. Now zoom out and see. It got replaced. Now again find it next. Now we can see it is finding this particular area. And if I say
Yeah.
replace, it will replace. Go on now. Instead of this one, replace all. What happened now?
Yeah.
All the items will be replaced from this existing one. Now see and see. Go and see.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
There is the station. Yeah. See here you can see the station. And anywhere else we are having a station, just go and check it now. See station. Everywhere it has replaced it now. Now again I want
Yeah.
from station to I want railway stations to be replaced again. Now I'm not using this option find and everything. Just simply say
Okay.
replace all now.
Okay.
So all the replacements are done. Okay, now we can zoom and we can see this one. Now see station.
Yes, sir.
What happened now? Double S we got it on this one. Because
Yeah,
already we
yeah.
are having one, we have added one more on this one.
Okay.
Okay, so like this we can find and replace the existing text, we can say by using
Text,
find
yeah.
and replace. Only finding, if you want you
Replace.
can use find. If you want replacement,
Okay.
those two boxes will come.
Okay.
Okay. Now close this one. Next one, 1 second. Export option we are having means we can export this information as an output, okay, as in JPG image on this one. So what to do, select this one and go to the export option in this one, export option, drag and drop this one inside this window, otherwise click the plus sign and pick this option to place it inside this one. Okay, so paragraph we are
Okay.
having paragraph options and suffix, and here's the option, what is it, settings. Now if you want to capture here, you can capture. Now what do we say, export option, this one will be exported.
Yeah. Okay.
Export. Okay, desktop I'm saving. Let's select the folder. Let me take this as in, let me take this class and let's say export on this one. Now
Okay.
go to this desktop area. What is the name of the folder? Class. Open this one. Now we can see we are having this information. Now view and see the extra large, we can say. 1 second, what is the name we have given? 1 second, maybe it has not selected this one. 1 second, let me delete. It has added over here now. Okay, once it is added, now we can see this railway, everything has been inserted inside this one. JPG image we want it. Now click on export. Where we are
Okay.
saying that is important. So maybe
Yeah.
we have not selected the proper area, we can see. Okay, 1 second, go back to the export. Now it is going to the books English on this one and select this folder and export it on this. Okay, file with the same name is already exist. Now save this one, go to this option. Now you can see here, this is the page we have. Open with photograph. Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
Now same information will be exported directly. Okay, now it is no more image, it is no more text now, it is become as an image now.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so like this we can
Yes.
export this option. I'm deleting this one. Now close this file. Now like this we can use the export option in this one. Okay,
Okay.
and already we have seen these properties and we have seen the
Yes.
learn section also.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
now this was the section which we have covered last time, and we have covered the same
Yeah.
section one more time.
Yeah.
Okay, this first part is done. Now let's have a second option, that is transform and coordinators.
Okay.
Okay, now let's take the transform and coordinates. We'll stop it here after this one. One more
Okay.
small section is there, adding a guidelines and all that we'll see, and
Yeah.
then close this. Okay.
Okay,
Now
sir.
let me delete this first. Okay, now under coordinates, whatever object you have created, example rectangle is there, now example polygon is there. Now take the line tool and create a bezier, what do we say, bezier lines. I'm taking multiple
Yeah.
stages on this one.
Okay.
Okay, now example, you see whenever you select any object, automatically it will select that what option you want to do here. Okay, now example,
Yeah.
right now my object is this one. I'm applying the color on this. Right now I want to make a modification in this one, that is width and height. Object is this one, bounding box is nothing but this one. Right now we can see this.
Yeah.
I don't want to disturb the bounding box. I want only width and height to be increased of the object. Only width will increase first.
Okay.
Can you see the blue color area over here?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
What is this
Yes,
now?
sir.
Nothing but this is original, and this is
Yeah.
will be updated when you say replace an existing object.
Okay.
But I want to keep original. I want to create another object. You can use this option now. Create
Create
an
object.
object.
Okay.
But let me take this more options. Will increase more width. Okay, approximately we'll go with the 80 value for this.
Okay.
Sorry, 1 second. 80 and enter now. So 80 we have now. So now once it
Yeah.
is done, you can say rotation. If you want, you can apply any rotation value for this one. Now we can see we are having some rotation also. So once
Yeah.
it is done, what I want to do, I want to create an object with the same value now. Click and
Okay.
create now to select the same object now. Select and delete this one. Right. You can see right now. Originally this
Yeah.
one and created one on this one. This is the one.
Okay.
So this is how this object can be created using on this one.
Okay.
Second option, rectangle, it will go with the rectangle. If you are having a polygon, it will take it to the polygon. And now coming back to the line tool now, go to the line tool, and where we have points now, we can select this point now. See, select this point and you can see this is the one. Right now it is 345 degrees on this one. So what you need to
Yeah.
do, just click here and change the value. I want this one to be gone for 300 degrees on this one. Select this one and select this one and say replace object. So what happened now? It will replace an existing object now. From here it has replaced
Okay.
here now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Similarly, I want to change this one to what do we say? And select this one and try to select this one and modify this one to 275 and enter on this one.
Okay.
And then replace option. Okay.
Okay.
So you can select the coordinates and you can move. You can move the position X and Y both at a time. Okay. Now
Okay.
example, right now you can see this is the position right now. What is the position? 222 something.
222,
From here it
yeah.
is 0. So from here it is left side it is 0. If I give 0 value, what happened? Let's see. 0 value and say replace on this one. See what happened? Now you can see where it is going
Oh.
towards this side.
Yeah. Yeah.
Replacement in the sense it will replace that existing one. You can see. Now see,
Okay.
it got replaced.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
like this we can decide the value how much you want it.
Okay.
Based on this reference point, we can see reference point is there. Select that and try to change this value. Okay.
Okay.
Now similarly,
Yes,
if you don't have any close object, we can close the object. Okay. If you want any point to be added, you can add the points also if you need anything. But you need to select the point here now. So then it will add the points also.
Okay.
Okay. Now this is what do we say? Coordinates we can say. Transform and coordinates we can say.
Yeah.
Closing this one, transform option we are having. Let me select this object and delete. Transform is nothing but select this option and movement we can say. We can give a movement to this
Okay.
one. So let me make this as 100 mm on this, not 100 mm, 20 mm for this one. Then number of copies,
Yeah.
how many you want it? Horizontal. Now we can make a copies of this one. See, multiple
Okay.
copies.
Yeah.
Let me select this and delete. Let's go with the ellipse so that we can see and we can create. Now small one, let's apply the color. Now I want multiple pieces of this one. So how much you want to move now? Right now you can see 26 mm is the original size. Let me make it as 10 mm by 10 mm for this object now. And position I'm giving
Okay.
0 0 position for this both. Now it will go down here. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
0 position and objects. What is the object's size? 10 mm by 10 mm now. What I'm giving 20 mm only in the width. Okay, now when we say number of copies 6 now, what happened? It has made the copy, and what is the distance? 20 mm distance in between this now.
Yeah.
So that we can provide it like this now. With this one, if you want, you can apply the y value also. Y value will give you rotation for this one. See, example, I am applying some value. Okay, I am giving 10 mm modification for this one in vertical, we can see. Now let's apply. See what happened? It has gone in cross 10-degree angle on this one. Okay, so like this you can apply the properties in this one. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What is this option? Transform option.
Transform.
Okay, close
Yeah.
this transform. Already we have learned the properties. Okay,
Yeah.
and this section we have done with this one. What is this option? Transform, coordinates, live
Coordinates.
guides we'll see now. Live guides and guidelines. Live guides are nothing but select this one and try to make another copy. This is your live guide. You can see it will show you this option.
Yeah. Okay.
Let me select and move. You can move this one. Now this is what guideline we can see.
Yes, sir.
Now we can see this guidelines. Now these are the guidelines.
Yeah.
Now if you want any angle guideline, if you want, you can go with the angle guideline also. See. You can see right now you get one option in this one. Okay, select and place it where you want to place it. Now we can see all these values are getting. Now we can change the angle and we can present it also. Now we can see right now. Can you see the angle over
Yeah.
there? That angle we
Yeah.
can apply.
Yeah.
Okay. So this is
Okay.
regarding your guidelines. What do we say? Live guides. Live guides we are having. We can see the guidelines with the yellow color and light color. We can change the color now.
Yeah.
We can go and we can apply the color. Okay, we can apply this all properties in this. Okay, all these styles and everything we can apply. And you can add the angle also. I don't want 30 degrees. Now I can remove. If you want, I can add this 30 degrees also. Another one also. But manually, if you
Okay.
want to apply any certain angle, so you can apply that angle also if you want customized value for this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so coming back to the next one. Okay, now one more option is there, guides. Now in this one, guides are nothing but directly we create a guides. Now how directly we can drag and drop like this. Otherwise we can go and we can define the value in this one. 23 is there, make it around
Yeah.
10 on this one and say add new one. Now see what happened, it has added at 10. Another
Yeah,
one I
yeah.
want to add it at 30 and say add. Now see exactly we are adding at certain position.
Yeah.
Now see, unselected is blue, selected is red now. You can
Yeah.
see it is selected one, it is showing blue, unselected is showing in red color. Like
Red.
this we can add a number of guidelines on this one. Horizontal guideline and vertical guideline, both. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is regarding your guides and this is what live guides we can say.
Okay, sir.
So we'll stop here. Almost the time is over. And
Yeah.
second one we have
Yeah.
done with this some sections we have done. What is that section? Let's see. First section is completed. Second section is completed. Third section is completed. Okay. Tomorrow we'll see this one 1, 2, and maximum these two will complete tomorrow. Okay. Day
Okay.
after tomorrow we'll see these two options. That will be finished.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, sir.
And one more thing is there.
Yeah.
Right now, like example, these people who are giving me the students actually, that is Shivasoft.
Yeah.
Okay, once your course is completed, you have to send a mail to them.
Okay.
Okay, that so you have completed so and so course.
Okay.
Okay, and that will take a little larger time to process actually. That will take approximately 1 week of time.
Okay,
Means
sir.
they will receive the mail from your side. Then they will start the process, and they will make
Okay.
make the payment after 1 week or some after 10 days. We can say to me.
Okay. Okay.
So now,
Okay.
as we are near about completion, once my panels are completed,
Yeah.
okay, after this one we'll start InDesign. InDesign will take 4 to 5 classes. We'll be finishing the 4
Okay.
to 5 classes for the InDesign. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now before going to that one, and as we are completing these panels, okay, in 2 days, like example right now we can see today is Monday, when Tuesday and Wednesday we'll finish these panels, and
Okay.
Wednesday and Thursday maximum, Wednesday or Thursday. I'll tell you, so on Thursday or Friday you have to send a mail to them once we finish this
Okay.
corridor, okay.
Okay, sir.
Till that time we'll complete our so all other topics in InDesign, okay.
Okay,
Till
sir.
that time
Yes, sir.
my payment process also will be completed.
Sure.
Okay?
Sure,
I'll
sir.
inform you when to send the mail and what to send in the mail also. Okay.
Okay. Sure, sir.
Okay.
Definitely.
Right.
All right. Thank you, sir.